Hello, my name is Bill Andrews from ExaGrid, Tiered Backup Storage. Today we're going to talk about the true costs of putting your long-term retention or your disaster recovery into the cloud behind backup. As you know, backup storage itself lives on site wherever the primary storage is because of the bandwidth requirement. So wherever the primary storage is, that's where the backup storage lives. But some organizations have a desire to send their long-term retention data or the disaster recovery data into the cloud versus having their long-term retention data remain on site and their disaster recovery data be at a second data center. The reason why they do that is because they believe it'll be lower cost. However, what we consistently see is 8, 9, 10 months into the process, they're getting the monthly bills from the cloud provider and they're much higher than they thought they were. Why is that? They charge for egress. They charge for ingress. They charge to purge the weekly backup. Once you meet your full retention schedule, you're doing a purge every week. And as a result, it is actually far more expensive to do both of these in the cloud than it is to do it on premise. So if you were to keep your backup storage on site with all of the retention, and you were to replicate to a second DR site that is at a second data center, this is far less expensive than this. On top of it, trying to get your data back out of the cloud for a disaster to restore on site and get your business operational will take forever if your data lives in the cloud. If your data for disaster recovery lives at a second data center, you can be up and running in hours. So again, it looks to be less expensive to do both of these when actually this is less expensive. And we see it every day of the week as customers are moving their data now, their backup long-term retention data and backup DR data back from the cloud back into their own data centers. Again, my name is Bill Andrews from ExaGrid Tiered Backup Storage.